look at you like that, you lose it completely. Losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason to stay here all night. I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder.
Howdy, hiya.
Whoa.
Hiya.
What's up, guys?
Hi. Hey. Hey.
They said hi already.
I'm flirting with the camera.
Don't flirt with them.
Why not? I like them. This week we are showcasing a private in-house training that we did with
exclusive.
Tekton Performance and Alltak Adhesivos. Adhesivos.
What did you say to me?
That's what it's
okay.
called. If you guys are unfamiliar with the Alltak film, this is a film that's made, I believe, in Brazil. Brazil. And really cool guys. We've dabbled with them at trade shows and stuff over the past few years. This is like a high performance calendered color change vinyl, which is a lot more popular now in the industry because it's more readily in stock and available. So a lot of people are moving to calendered. There are some little tricks you need to know with calendered film. But in particular, what did you like about this film?
I did like how it was very conformable.
It was actually very conformable for calendered film.
For a calendared film. That was probably like you could actually stretch things into things. Like, I mean, as long as you post-heated the crap out of it.
Yeah.
It took a lot of heat.
It needs a high post heat.
If you give it that heat, it will form.
Yeah. The film actually, I would relate it if you wanted to compare it to a cast film. I'd compare it to Orifol 970 RA, which is a more aggressive color change film that I really like using. My other favorite thing about this film is that it was very repositionable. So you could like slap it down, pull it up, slap it down, pull it up.
It didn't make marks.
Or without heat, and it wouldn't make any surface imperfections.
With or without the scooter stick?
No scooter sticks. Stay on track. Okay, anyway, so it was really repositionable with or without heat, and it wouldn't make those surface imperfections that you typically see with other brands of vinyl when you're yanking them around.
Yeah. It was like you said, Oracal, but it was like a mix between Oracal and Avery. That's what I...
Almost, like low tack, but also high tack.
Yeah.
We'll have to do some more videos and tutorials on that film in the future, but overall, I would definitely rank it on one of my better high-end calendared films.
Good, better, best.
The besters, the bestest. You just need to edge seal and post heat everything really well.
Yeah, I would always take precaution on calendared films just because they like to shrink.
Yeah, so anyways, it was our first time actually trying out the film on a full car. We wrapped up a Camaro in this really cool two-tone with a matte metallic blue from Alltak and their forged carbon, which is super spicy.
Very spicy. It was a spicy sauce.
We did it for one of our return clients, Randy, who owns a gun store and some stuff around here. He's really big into guns. And we're talking to the guys from Tekton Performance. They're from Canada, right? Chetty and Frank. They're from Canada. And one of the guys was like, yeah, so you guys like walk around with guns and stuff all the time? That's crazy, I've never held a gun. And I was like, hold up, that's offensive, let me make a call. So I call up our client, Randy, whose car we're wrapping, and I'm like, Randy, these guys have never held a gun. Like, I need you to get over here. He's like, I got you, I'll be there at 2 p.m.
Did I? Yeah, all right.
So we ended up closing the shop down early. We drove out to Sycamore Creek, which by the way is one of the most nicest drives. Scenic drives.
The most nicest?
The most nicest scenic drive in Arizona.
The most nicest, bestest drive in the whole state of Arizona.
It was great.
Just kidding.
And we shot everything from like 22 handguns up to like full auto ARs up to 50 cals semi-auto.
We had a little of everything out there.
It was quite the first experience for someone who's never shot a gun.
Yeah.
They were like kids in a candy store. It was great.
Well, I mean, it's usually the first time anyone shoots a gun, it's like a handgun or something. But we had to bring out the big guns.
So of course we finished off our trip with some fun things. We hung out with Frank and his wife and Chetty. We went out to Din Din, and of course we took them to Level 1 arcade bar because that's our jam.
That's where we go.
They had a blast there. I know I had a blast there.
You had a blast.
I always have a blast there. But yeah, it was super fun. So huge thank you to Tekton Performance. You guys are amazing. We had so much fun with you, and we can't wait to see you at the next trade show. Also, Alltak Adhesivos, your calendar film was awesome. I look forward to using it on some more future projects and really putting it to the test.
I would like to try, like we had matte film, I'd like to try some other ones.
Yeah, I'd like to see how it holds up to the Arizona sun too, because that's always a huge concern.
Yes.
But overall, very, very nice calendar film.
Very nice.
It's very nice. And we will see you guys next week or maybe the week after, who knows.
At one point.
We'll see you soon.
Later.